You know what I like to do a lot? I like to eat. Who doesn't like to eat? The only people I know who don't like to eat are dead people. You're not dead, you're alive. You know what I don't like to do a lot? Throw up. Hey, it's just a preference. I don't like doing it. It's just a thing. So let's not do half of that, and let's do the first half, and that's eat. What are we gonna eat? I really don't. What's a good thing? Blueberries. I'm literally made of blue right now. Actually, fun fact: blueberries came first, and then blue, the word, came afterwards. That's why we named the color blue after blueberries, because it's blueberries without the berry, so it's just blue. The more you know. But hey, we're going to try to make blueberry muffins. I've never tried it before, but it's a thing that we have to do. Transition. Well, I'm recording this after the fact because, I talked over it, but it was bad. Anyways, you don't really gotta watch this whole thing because I'm just gonna straight out just say it wasn't good. It was bad. I assume it was because I added too much baking soda. I don't know why they asked me to do 5. That's such a weird number, right? Now that I'm thinking about it, it was such a weird number. Anyways, they asked me to put in. Well, here's the list. I'll just put the list somewhere before any of this, so you guys can see. Probably put the list in the description, but it was. They had me do one and a half cup of flour, 5 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm telling you, it was so weird. I think it was 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of whatchamacallit. It wasn't good. Don't try it, folks. This is just straight up just say it. But I mean, I got a couple of minutes to talk about stuff. You know, I failed. That's a given. I'm not gonna deny that I failed. But hey, you know, I failed. I did it. I now have the confidence in saying that I won't do it again. Maybe I will. But you know, we only progress as people if we mess up. I mean, not necessarily you have to mess up every time to get it, because even as kids, well, for me specifically, I guess, I never really messed up on like the simplest math problem, like 2 + 2 = 4, because it's so easy. Just follow a step by step. I didn't really fail for that, but I did learn from it. So what I'm trying to say is you can learn from your failures, but you don't have to fail to learn, if that makes sense to you people. Maybe you have to fail knowing what I'm telling you. But what I'm trying to say is it's alright if you fail, because you're going to learn from it. You literally gain something from failing. But you don't have to fail to gain, if that makes sense. And I guess that's what the moral of this story is. But I mean, that's another thing. People are allowed to really give up when they fail. They learn not to do it again. Ooh, what a special message. But what I'm trying to say is, you know, just because you failed at something doesn't mean you should stop doing it. I mean, next time, if I do end up making the blueberries, I just won't do it from the dumb list. I'll look somewhere else. I'll look at another video. I didn't look at a video, so don't get the wrong ideas. I mean, you're looking at my video, so is there any wrong with looking at someone else's video? No, of course not. You learn. Ooh, turn the bat right there. Well, that's what I'm trying to say. You know, failure isn't the end of the road. The only time when you do fail, or when failure does lead to an end of the road, if you die from it, you go, oh, ooh, I learned such a special message. Yeah, don't live again. Oh, it's just a game of life. Learn from it. I didn't really do any commentary on what I'm doing. As you can see, I followed the steps. So if anything, I didn't fail myself. So my insecurity is still intact. My pride's still there. It's whatever I follow the steps. It's whatever page that was. And to be honest, I got this book, or I'll show you the book right now. I got this book. What was that? Woof. I got this book from Goodwill. It's amazing, actually. It tells you how to take out stains. how to cook veal, I think. I made that one up, but I mean, it's such a great book, but apparently it doesn't have a high standard because it literally made me fail on something. And now all you guys got to... I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed that you guys had to watch me fail. I normally don't fail. I'm a winner. And that's what I really am. I'm a winner. And even if you think I did fail at the blueberries, it doesn't matter because I won. I won at this. Sure, I didn't win at making the blueberries, but I did win in not completing a blueberry. How many of you people can say I didn't do a blueberry and I messed up? Well, now I get to say that I messed up and I got it. Joke's on you, huh? Well, I'm just gonna stop talking here because it really wasn't that great. You guys will see in a bit. I did spit it out, by the way. We believed he was a holy preacher. Something extra season 5. Here we go, boys and gals and the fish people watching this. I always thought muffins had like a weird over the top thing, but I guess this is not how it's supposed to be. Well, here we go. It looks good. Brown flakes. I don't know. You know what? Enough pussyfooting around. Let's take a bite. Take a bite of this is gonna be the Titanic of food. I'm kind of scared, but oh, it tastes weird. Tastes weird. I don't know what to put. Javi, you want to eat one?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Here, you know, what do you pick?
They're all the same, huh?
Yeah, whatever, just pick one. Take a bite out of it. You're probably I spat it out. Just eat it. You can spit it out here if you want. I'm probably gonna throw the whole batch. It tastes weird, right?
It's like fish.
Does it really? Tastes weird, brother, right? Mom, here, just put it.
It's just that.
I'm not. It's a failure.
It's dumb. It's not coming out there. I can taste it.
Yeah, well, it was a failure. I really don't like it. Don't do it. For those who just skipped ahead, don't try this at all. It's gross. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day. And there's no real way to end an episode. Wasting time with random subjects for educations. Con bon bon.
Suck.